Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Air Force 1 07 LV8. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Air Force 1 07 LV8 shoes, and this pair is the men's UK size 8.5, US 9.5, Europe 43, Brazil 41, 27.5 cm, and it's also in a women's US size 11, and this pair is in the black, gum light brown, white colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid, and of course let's lift up the packing paper to reveal the Nike Air Force 1 07 LV8 in the black, gum light brown, white colourway. Let's lift the shoes out from the box packaging. And just closing the box back down and setting it to the side, setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop, and giving you a look at the pair before I start handling them and taking a much closer in look at their details. Okay, and now just setting the right shoe down and in the background on the right as we take a look at the left shoe of this Nike Air Force 1 07 LV8. And let's do a 360 rotation so you have that full and clear look of the shoe before we take a much closer in look at its details. Okay, and now taking a much closer in look at its details so we can see the overall black colouring of the upper, and of course the materials as well. We can see suede for the mudguard, and it is a short nap suede, giving you that close-up look at its details right there. And we can see the textured leather and its perforations for the toe box area, and of course we can see a white embroidered Nike swoosh at the bottom of the laces or eye stay. And of course with the midsole we can see it is in black as well, and for the outsole in gum light brown. So as we slowly move towards the midfoot area, we can see the high contrast of that leather white Nike swoosh on the black panels. Of course we see that black leather grained panel as well as the dull black suede, giving it those textural qualities to the upper. And as we slowly move towards the back, giving you a look at the heel details as well, we can see the Air text or wording in white on the midsole. You can see those contrasting colours of this shoe. And as we move towards the back or heel part of the shoe, we can see the Nike Air branding stamped into the suede back tab or heel tab. So giving you a look right there at its details and the overall textural qualities of the shoe. As we move back towards the inside of the shoe, we see once again that white Nike swoosh and white leather on the suede and leather panels of the upper. And as we move back towards the front, again, we see the mudguard in that short nap suede in black. And of course, the vamp leather toe box with its perforations. And now taking a look at the shoe from the front, or tip or toe, and slowly moving along its length towards the back. So we can see with the tongue, the nylon cover, and of course with the Nike Air Force One white on black tongue patch. And taking a look behind at the tongue details, we see the Nike trademark quality branding text, as well as the label for the place of manufacture. And let's pop out the paper stuffing as well, so we have a fuller look inside of the shoe. So you can see it does come with white laces, and giving you a look at their tips. So plain white laces, and around the inside details of the shoe, actually of course giving you a sense of the padding as well, or bolstering of the tongue. So lightly bolstered with a soft padding to it. Now just flipping out the laces for a clearer look at the inside details of the shoe. So with the ankle and heel collar, so a medium and consistent level or even level of padding around the collar of the shoe, and with a medium level of firmness as well. Okay, and of course the inside details, so we can see that the sock liner is in black with the white Nike Air print, and giving you a look at the composition sticker or materials label on it as well. And of course the inside labels or details and lining. Okay, and just bring the laces back inside of the shoe, and giving you a look once again further out, and of course now taking a look at the sole or bottom of the shoe. So a rubber sole in the gum light brown color, and taking a close-up look at its details. And of course, as usual, we can see the Nike branding molded into the arch area of the sole. And to give you some sense of the gum light brown rubber sole, just tapping my finger and dragging it along that rubber surface. And now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's flexibility, pliability, firmness or stiffness. Okay, and now just popping the shoe back in shape. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. So setting the left shoe down and in the background as we bring the right shoe into the foreground. And let's do a 360 rotation with this side as well, so you have that full and clear look. And now taking a much closer in look at its details. So once again we see that black suede and leather upper, and with the high contrast white Nike leather swoosh on both sides of the shoe. And let's take a look at the hang tag. So there is a tag here, with some information about the suede or upper details. in what appears to be Chinese as well as English. Okay, so that's the hang tag there. And with the laces, once again we see a pair of white laces with the shoe, and the overall details on the inside as well. So you can see quite clearly the Nike Air white print on that black insole or sock liner. And actually, let's pop up the paper stuffing as well to see if we can discover more details around the inside of the shoe. So there we go, giving you a much closer in look at the details on the inside of this Nike Air Force 1 07 LV8 in the black, gunlight brown, white colourway. And let's somehow tuck the laces back in. And of course taking a close-up look once again at the details of the shoe. And once again, of course, we have that gum light brown rubber sole. And now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. Just trying to tidy up that tongue right there. And of course, from the front to the back. And directly from the back. And the soles or bottoms of the shoes. So that's Nike Air Force 1 07 LV8. Thanks for watching and happy walking!